Hi friends, you are watching Gemstone Deal channel. Today I have a new informative video for you. Very interesting stone you can find out everywhere in the world. And here I will tell you about the benefits of blue kyanite. This stone is amazing stone, amazing benefits. And before going towards the video, I would like to say that please subscribe my channel. As usually I request you, and along with that you can find out bell icon button, so hit the bell icon button for the new uploaded fresh videos every day, and you will get the notification specially, and you will be able to get early as possible your videos and your informations. So here I will tell you about the blue stone, that is blue kyanite. What are the benefits of the stone? This stone is specially for your throat problems, ENT problems, for example, ear, throat, nose. All these problems you can solve this if you want to use this stone. So here always it produce the communication, better communication for the social purpose, for your environment where you live. Blue kyanite helps you to speak one's truth with clarity, making it a great stone for public speakers and performers. If somebody is especially like social activities, having a social activities, and he needs to activate by self and activate his abilities, this stone is beneficial for that person. Blue kyanite also facilitates an alignment of all the subtle bodies, creating a larger and stronger aura. And kyanite stone aligns all your energies, inner energy, outer energy, and helps you to improve the strength and health of your internal organs. And this stone internally empowers your energies, your activities, and it provides the balance of your energy and dispel blockages, moving energy gently through the physical body. Kyanite has a calming effect on your whole being, bringing tranquility and encourages the psychic abilities and communication on all levels in your life. So guys, I think this is amazing stone if you want to use, and if you want to get these benefits from this stone. And as I usually told you, telling you every day and in every kind of video, the price of the stone, especially if you want to buy this kyanite stone in the market, you can find it $5 to $10 per carat, and the size should wear like 5 to 10 carat piece is enough for you if you want to wear this stone. So guys, I think you would like to this video, and if you like, please comment in the comment section, and your suggestions, your recommendations will be appreciated. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.